Emakhosini Thokozani Lesedi Khanya Camagu Ndawo Shewe. I would love us ukuthi sihlebeni kancane, right? Because I see there's a mistake a lot of people are making, but to some it's not a mistake. Isimo kunosiko okuthiwa yimvuma kufa. Abanye lolo siko balazi ngokuthi umsebenzi wokuvuma idlozi, which is in the step of your spiritual journey that must not lijampwe. It's either you do it before iphehlweni, maybe while you're still figuring out your journey, or mawususephehlweni then uyatshela ukuthi no, you need to do imvuma kufa. Now, imvuma kufa iyenzwaphi? Yenziwe ekhaya. If ungenile usentwasweni uyathwasa, Gobela needs to take you back home kuyoyenzwa lo msebenzi ekhaya ngoba uvuma idlozi lasekhaya, hayi la kwaGobela. Hence it's not done kwaGobela. Now there are people abayenza kwaGobela. That's if awunakhaya, you've got nowhere to go, and of which at the end the process will be Gobela uzokugucisela kwakhe, but that needs to be explained to idlozi. Now you cannot hide ukuthi wena unakhaya, idlozi liyazi ukuthi wena kumalume bakhona, kubaba bakhona, even if wena unandlu or whatever. But to some people maybe abazwani, baqoshwe ekhaya, akanakhaya, abazali bashona, uhlala emgwaqweni umntana abantu, street kid, akanamndeni, akana nobody, then you can do it. But other than that, uyovuma idlozi ekhaya. Because I see people bayenza imvuma kufa kodwa bayenzela kaGobela. Uvuma idlozi lakaGobela noma uvuma idlozi lakho. That's tricky. Of which lenzwa ngesilwane, yenzwa ngembuzi, iyohlatshelwa kaGobela. Okay. Remember, mawenza imvuma kufa, akusidlozi only elikungenile in terms of that comes with the gift. Nabanye abanikazi bekhaya that needs to acknowledge and see what, oh, okay, unabantu abadala, okay, we accept as well. Bona basuke bakuphi. But anyway, maybe we can talk about that in the comment section and tell me what do you think. This is not a dictatorship. We share, we learn, siyafundisana. Emakhosini Lesedi Khanya Camagu Ndawo Shewe.